it's Mahri, and today is Saturday, November 6th, and I just got done filming my first comeback YouTube video for this year. It's been a while. It's been a long while since I've created content and posted. So right now, this is a part of my vlog. I'm on my new vlogging camera, and I've been playing around with the settings, trying to get it right. So that's pretty much what I've been doing today. Trying to create an atmosphere, an environment, get my camera and lighting and everything all set up, get my space going. And it needs some work. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely needs some kind of work. Here, I'll show you guys what I have right now. So this is my current filming station. I kind of just, yeah, we're not going to worry about this right here. I just kind of pushed it out of the way. But here's my lights, my laptop that I'm working with. I have a little passport drive right behind my phone. I was working with natural lighting. And I didn't know where to put my plant, so my plant is just resting next to me. And I have abundance of cords down there. And so here is my background. So I pretty much just have my little day bed theme here. You know, just something. It's not that big of a deal. My good old faithful chair that is literally falling apart. So yeah, this is my, hey, this is my little setup that's working. I mean, it works because I don't have to worry about natural lighting, and everything is already set up and ready to go if I so need it. So for the rest of the day, I have no clue what we're eating. The kids are live, as you guys can hear in the background. I've also put up my Christmas trees. I haven't put the ornaments on yet, so I think I'm going to do that today, because I also want to get like a Christmas skirt. I need some Christmas skirts. So I'm hoping if my husband comes home early, he might want to go to Target or Walmart tonight and, you know, do a little shopping. I'm really stoked about being back on YouTube, you guys. I feel like it's going to give me the energy, the happiness, the creativity that has been lacking. And I just hope that you guys are glad to see me back. If you are new to my channel, maybe I have something that you want to see. Maybe I'm a little interesting. My name is Mahri. I'm here in Houston. I have a whole family. I have dogs. I have tortoises. And I'm just trying to live life as best as I can. I'm a part of the mature crowd, so, you know, just in case you're wondering, I'm in my 30s. Here are my 3 trees, my little mini forest. I just bought these 2 pencil trees. They are 6 feet. So I got 2 of those. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and I got them on sale. So I believe they were $100 a piece. And then this is my tree from last year. Definitely next year I'm going to get another tree and probably put this one in our dining room / family room. I need to get 2 skirts for the bottom. These ones are really pretty. So it looks like that when it's on. So pretty. I've always wanted these, and to be honest, if I can find like 2 feet, 3 feet trees on sale, I'm gonna get 2 more and put like 1 right here, 1 right there, so it really looks like a forest. I like flocked green trees. I'm not into the all white. This one used to be flocked. If you can see, there's like little white fake flock snow, but it all came off because it was a cheaply flocked tree. It wasn't an expensive flock tree. Like, these are expensive flock trees. This one was not expensive. So it's no longer flocked. And this one is about 3 years old, so it's time to get a new tree. But for right now, this is just gonna have to work.